On February 11th, 1915, Richard W. Hamming was born in Chicago, Illinois, to parents Richard J. Hamming and Mabel G. Redfield. He also had an older brother named Walter. He was raised in Chicago, where he attended school and where he realized that he was a better mathematician than his teacher. In college, he wanted to study engineering, but the only university that offered him a scholarship, the University of Chicago, had no engineering department. So he studied mathematics and received his bachelor's in 1937, a master's from the University of Nebraska in 1939, PhD, Mathematics, University of Illinois, 1942. His future wife also attended the University of Illinois, and later that year he married Wanda Little on September 5, 1942. He then taught briefly at the University of Illinois and the University of Louisville, before he was recruited to work on the Manhattan Project in 1945. He was running calculations on IBM computers at Los Alamos and working with many top minds, including Fermi, Teller, Oppenheimer, and Feynman. Luckily, his wife Wanda also worked on the project, otherwise dinners at home might have been pretty quiet due to the strict secrecy. Next, he accepted an offer from Bell Laboratories in New Jersey and began working in their mathematics department in 1946. While there, he was surrounded by other bright minds, some of which he referred to as the Young Turks, who he said did unconventional things in unconventional ways. One example of this was his habit of eating lunch with the physics group rather than the mathematics group. In 1968, he was presented with the ACM Turing Award for his work on numerical methods, automatic coding systems, and error detection and error correcting codes. In fact, this work may be what he is best known for. Many of these ideas are still in use today in coding theory and other areas of mathematics. In 1968, Hamming became a Fellow of IEEE, and in 1979 was awarded the Emanuel R. Pure Award for the introduction of error-correcting codes, pioneering work in operating systems and programming languages, and the advancement of numerical computation. Then, in 1988, IEEE created the Richard W. Hamming Medal, and Hamming was its first recipient for exceptional contributions to information sciences and systems. When he left Bell Labs in 1976, he became a professor of computer science at the Navy Postgraduate School in Monterey, California. Here he focused on teaching and writing books. He felt that mathematics was being taught wrong and wrote a couple of mathematics texts from his perspective. He taught there for 21 years and became Distinguished Professor Emeritus of Computer Science until his retirement in December of '97. He did what he loved right until the end because the next month, on January 7, 1998, he died of a heart attack. A colleague of Hamming wrote of him, "He will be long remembered for his keen insights into many facets of science and computation. I'll also long remember him for his red plaid sport coat and his bad jokes."